Hi everyone, it's Tish with Naptime Creations. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. It's free and it'll help me out a lot, so hit that subscribe button. Today we're going to be making some resin coasters with these new molds from Dryer Days Art Studio. I love the shape of them. They're her agate molds, and she also sent me some of these pigments and dried flowers I wanted to show you guys really quickly. I just love those dried flowers and this violet chameleon pigment. We're going to be using that one today, and this crystal silicone mold. Really, really cool. And also some blue Nile fantasy film. You could use these in, or this product in, crystal towers. I've made a video previously on my channel showing how to make really awesome crystal towers. So definitely check out that video if you haven't seen it already. So I just wanted to show you guys really quickly the new goodies from Dryer Days Art Studio. I'll link all the materials I'm using down below, and I have a coupon code for her shop if you want to go check her out. So here are the molds that we're going to be using. I filled them up almost to the rim with clear resin, and I'm using the TotalBoat High Performance Epoxy, and I'm going in with some Eiffel Sparkler Glitter from Dryer Days Art Studio. I went ahead and mixed up my resin and my pigments off camera just to save time, but if you're new to resin and you want to see a tutorial showing step-by-step how to mix your resin, check out my Milky Way coaster tutorial. I'll link it down below. I show you step-by-step how to mix your resin and your pigments. And for this technique, you don't need much of your colored pigments. It doesn't take much at all. So I only mixed up about half an ounce. And this is the Lorez Angel White from Laura's Art Corner. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go in with my different pigments and make lines. Super simple and easy to do. This one's the Violet Chameleon. I absolutely love this pigment. It's one of my new favorites. And don't hold your cup over your coaster when you're doing this. You can see I got a few little drips, so hold it off to the side. And don't worry if you have a lot of excess kind of coming out of your molds. I'll show you in a few minutes here what you can do with that. So now we're going to go in with Morning Glory. It's a beautiful pearl shimmery pigment from Laura's Art Corner. It's kind of like a teal color. It's super pretty. I'm going to go in with a little bit more Angel White, and you can see the coaster on the left, the white is already starting to kind of feather out, and I can already tell that these are going to be really pretty coasters. And this technique is so easy, you guys. All I'm doing is just making lines of color or pigments going across the coasters. And I did drip a little bit of that Violet Chameleon into the glitter section, not on purpose. So I just went in with my silicone mixing tool and kind of mixed that so it wasn't just one blob of the Violet Chameleon. And that's pretty much it. I'm going to add a little bit more Violet Chameleon, and I'm going to scrape all of this runoff or all of this excess into a mold. Let them dry for 24 hours, and here we are. This is the one. This is just a little keychain shaker charm, and I scooped up all that runoff that was on my table and just put it into this little mold. So you could do that, just kind of scrape all of that excess off and then put it into a mold so you're not wasting it. But here's how the coasters turned out. You can see the technique is so easy, and you just let the resin do its magic. As the resin kind of self-levels and sets up, all the pigments feather out and you get a really pretty design and look. I just love these colors together. I think they're so, so pretty. The Violet Chameleon's one of my new favorite pigments, and the Lorez Angel White works really awesome for cells and lacing as well, like if you wanted to make ocean pieces. So for that one, you don't want to add too much white. I only had about a half ounce of clear, and what I did was took my stir stick, dipped it into the Angel White, and that was it. I didn't use like a pea size amount or anything. It only takes a little bit of that Angel White, and you'll get a nice opaque white. And I actually think both sides of these coasters look pretty. So if you wanted to use this top side or the back side, what you're seeing right here, as the top of the coaster, you could just do a clear resin top coat and then use that as the top, or you could use this side as the top. Whichever one you like more. I think I like this side the best. It's got some really awesome depth in there, and all the colors are so fun together, and that Eiffel sparkler glitter is just gorgeous. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. I hope you give this technique a try. Like I said, it's so easy to do. You're just stringing lines of color across your coaster molds and let it sit and let the resin do its magic on its own. I didn't add any heat to these or anything like that, just let them sit, and they turned out really awesome. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, leave me a like. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And I'll link all the materials I used down below in the description box, along with any coupon codes that I have. I hope you guys are all doing great, and I'll see you soon for another video. Bye, guys.